As the temperatures rise, it's an ideal opportunity to put warm climate vegetables, spices, and plants in the ground so they develop for the season ahead. For crops that develop rapidly, similar to beans, sowing seeds will turn out great. Be that as it may, for different plants, similar to tomatoes, you'll need to buy transfers or natural products will not have the opportunity to develop in certain locales of the country. All yearly blossoms can likewise be planted in June, similar to perennials, which return each year around this time, as well. Number 1. Lavender. Lavender is a champion plant to fill in the most smoking of months. Known well for its pastel purple tone, the plant will glance stunning in your nursery, and it tends to be picked to make fundamental oils and other pressure/nervousness cures. Assortments to attempt: French lavender, English lavender, and Spanish lavender. Number 2. Okra. Okra offers an extraordinary number of cancer prevention agents and minerals. The juice from the plant is utilized in foods from around Africa, North America, and the Middle East. Assortments to attempt: Star of David, Cowhorn, and Emerald. Number 3. Basil. It is consistently an extraordinary decision to develop new spices in your nursery. Perhaps the simplest spice to develop is basil, which is utilized in food plans and comprehensive cures around the world. Assortments to attempt: sweet basil, Genovese basil, and Thai basil. Number 4. Fanflower. This durable lily has beautiful fan-shaped flowers that continue to come, despite the fact that late spring's most sultry days. Spot it in a blended compartment to gush out over the edges or along walkways. Assortments to attempt: whirlwind pink, whirlwind blue. Number 5. Eggplants. Eggplants genuinely are the absolute most lovely vegetables to develop with their glossy profound or pale purple, unadulterated white, or greenish skin and wonderful adjusted shapes. Eggplants love the warmth, however keep them watered. Collect them all before the principal ice since they have zero capacity to bear cold. Assortments to attempt: Rose or Bianca, Black Beauty. Number 6. Succulents. These enchanting plants arrive in an assortment of shapes, sizes, structures, and shadings that are not difficult to develop. They're likewise tri-season open-minded, so you will not need to whine with them once settled. A few, not all, are cold tough. Peruse the plant tag to learn on the off chance that they're tough in your USDA zone, else, you'll need to uncover them prior to frosty temperatures happen and report them to Appreciate inside on a radiant windowsill. Assortments to attempt: lemon coral, green wheel hens, and chicks. Number 7. Peppers. Peppers arrive in a wide assortment of sizes, shapes, and tones. Peppers are partitioned into sweet and hot assortments. Something you might not have known? Green peppers are not a yield without anyone else, rather, they're unripe chime peppers that will become red, yellow, or orange when ready. Plant whatever type you love, or both, however, make a point to wear gloves when gathering or cutting the super hot sorts. Assortments to attempt: Madhatter crossover, hot and heavy,